What if, despite having no YouTube experience and without perfect equipment, you, as a content creator, could generate $4,000 per month from your channel? In this video, with 8 practical steps, I show you exactly how. Let's refocus. So here you can see Estelle, for example, who simply started using a microphone and began talking about her daily life. Of course, she's also quite attractive, so that helps. But here, for example, 4,000 subscribers in the last 30 days, almost 1 million views, and it's estimated up to $4,000 per month. She simply sits down and starts talking. This means the foundation of success are topic discovery through experimentation. Just getting started. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can even record from the same spot with different outfits, for example. You can take one day and say, okay, today I'm going to record 5 to 7 videos, different topics, different outfits. Just start talking. What's important is consistency. That means posting regularly. Daily posts would be fantastic. The more video content you have, the better it is. As described here, you can of course change up the topics, and then it will naturally happen that maybe you'll have one video that really performs well, the other videos just okay, and some videos that really stay below the expectations. But that's okay. That's because the output is high and YouTube understands that the content is coming regularly. You can naturally climb up faster through that. Here we also have someone who creates Christian content, who simply stands out against a forest or a wall. Here you can see I have a VIDIQ subscription. There you can see how the performance is. The individual video shows how many views per hour, so how many clicks per hour you get. That's a great indicator. And if we now go back to Estelle's channels, you can see here that this video is performing absolutely higher than her channel average with 650 views per hour, depending on how old the videos are. And that's a good indicator to see this. With VIDIQ, this tool, you can really see cool things. Also here again, directly the statistics, then of course it's important what kind of thumbnails you make. You can check it out in the description below. For example here, Marielle DeMillo does exactly the same. She starts talking in her home, different topics. Here too, the videos perform 100 times better than her channel average. You can see she's doing quite well. She now uses large text on the thumbnails. With Estelle's thumbnails, it's kept relatively natural, so you can see right away there's nothing on it. With Corner, there's also nothing on it. So you can decide that, of course. If you really want that natural look, the best just keep the thumbnail as real as possible. You don't need a good microphone, you don't need mega video quality camera, DSLR, or so on and so forth. Here also with Noah, who does a mix with the thumbnails. Then of course, to earn money later, you have to take different routes, either through affiliate marketing, which means you can put links in your YouTube description and people click. You can market your own products, or you get sponsorships through cooperation with other brands. But first, it's important that you find a niche you want to serve. In our case, for example, Christian YouTubers. Then think about topics that concern you. Also look at which topics have already been covered from other channels. About that, I gladly make another detailed video soon. And then it's simply important to produce many videos, test different ones. You'll then see what your community likes, what's well received, what's less well received, and then what works, actually repeat that again and again. So here we have Mike, who does exactly the same. I find him super sympathetic, also has many subscribers. So these are the YouTube channels. I link them again in the YouTube description below. And ultimately, it's important to remember the biblical principle of the sower. That means sow and God will decide what really grows. It's important to provide value first. That's what this channel should be too. It's not about clicks, not about fame, not about making money fast as the first priority, but really helping people, providing value. That must be the mindset, because otherwise you won't be able to keep it up long term. Similarly, it's about being patient, trusting God. He has the plan, He is in control, He will have prepared the right thing for you. Want to grow together in a community and exchange ideas? We have a group that's called Refocusly Circle. It's still free now, but after 50 members we will close the whole thing. Then the group will be paid. But that's what this group is for, to support each other, to grow in business, earn money, and also make the passion you have into profession. Thank you for watching. Feel free to check another video, and until next time, bye bye.